Welcome to eBits. I'm Mario Pena, Quality Engineer for eSwitch, and today I'd like to talk to you about our newest series, the WS2 Snap Action Switch. The WS2 is a single-pole, double-throw, sealed snap action switch. The WS2 Series has an IP67 rating, protecting it from dust and temporary immersion in water. The WS2 snap action switches are made to last, with a minimum electrical life expectancy of 100,000 cycles and a minimum mechanical life expectancy of 500,000 cycles. They also operate in temperatures ranging from -25 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. The pin plunger actuator requires 183 grams of force to actuate, and the single pole circuits are rated for up to 2 amps. The WS2 Series snap action switches are PC board mountable via PCB pins. Solder lug and quick connect termination options are also available. These sealed snap action switches are ideal for HVAC applications, electrical housewares, vending machines, and medical equipment. If you'd like to learn more about the WS2 Snap Action Switch, please head over to our website at www.e-switch.com. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe so you can get all our new product updates.